let's start the guided class practice. Number 1, there were 126 children in the gym. 87 children joined them. How many children are in the gym now? What type of problem is this? Get ready. Yes, it's a some more problem. So let's underline the important information. There were 126 children in the gym. 87 children joined them. So let's go over here to our workspace and add 126 plus 87. 7 and 6 equals 13. 8 and 2 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the number sentence is going to be 126 children plus 87 children equals 213 children. 213 children. Number 2 says use the Venn diagram to answer the questions. Which letters on the graph have parallel line segments? Parallel line segments. If you remember, parallel line segments look like this, and it's even in the word parallel. So which letters have parallel line segments, but not perpendicular line segments? So I would say M, N, and C. All right, so which letters have perpendicular line segments? Remember, perpendicular look like that. Looks like a T. L, H, F, E. I think that's it. Which letters have both parallel and perpendicular line segments? H does. F and E.